East Coast. Any effects here locally?
No, we thankfully are not going to see anything tropical related here in the coastal bend, and we'll talk more about soon-to-be Imelda and Umberto in just a little bit. We're enjoying really nice weather here in South Texas, all courtesy of drier air that's been moving in behind a front from a couple of days ago. So our dew points are continuing to drop, but you can see to our north those values starting to rebound just a little bit. So while we have been drier, we've still really been just about as warm as the past couple of days. Temperatures got into the lower 90s today. We're currently sitting in the lower 80s here, the upper 80s, I should say, in Corpus Christi. Upper 60s heading into tomorrow morning. So another really nice morning to start the new week. And temperatures, again, very similar to what we saw today. It's a very copy and paste forecast to start this week off, but we will see high temperatures climbing just a little bit as we head into later this week. Humidity levels remaining relatively consistent, but increasing a little, and that'll help our morning temperatures go up a little as we head into the end of this week as well. So now let's jump into the tropics, because what happens with soon-to-be Imelda could influence our weather a tiny bit here in terms of our rain chances. So we'll get to that in just a second. Here's Umberto, currently a Category 5 storm with winds of 160 miles per hour and Tropical Depression 9. That is the one that's expected to become Tropical Storm, if not Hurricane Imelda. It's expected to get its name later tonight, if not by tomorrow morning. So we can see those tropical storm warnings already in effect for the northern islands of the Bahamas and a tropical storm watch for part of the east coast of Florida. Now, what happens with Umberto could impact where Imelda, soon to be Imelda, goes. So let me show you what I mean. Umberto is going to be a very organized storm. As we know, it's a Category 5. That means it's being steered by upper level winds and patterns in the atmosphere, like this high near Bermuda. So that's why Umberto is going to steer off and not impact the eastern United States directly, at least. There'll be some higher waves and dangerous surf conditions for the East Coast, but no direct impacts from Umberto. What we could see direct impacts from is the rainfall from Imelda on top of some more dangerous surf conditions. So I have these little spinning circle arrows here, and you'll notice that the ones for Umberto, they go up on this side. Imelda's go down over here. So when these two get close enough to one another, they could influence where the other goes. And that's been the trend over the past couple of days, is instead of bringing what could be Imelda into the East Coast, it's getting pulled by those arrows going around Umberto, that circulation. So that has been the latest trend, is to bring it out back into the Atlantic. So what that means for us in terms of our rain chances, this is what would be Imelda going up towards the East Coast, bringing lots of moisture and some rain to the East Coast. Some energy could get pulled and siphoned off of that system by high pressure in the Great Lakes and join up with another low pressure system closer to us. And as that lingers, we could see energy and moisture getting close enough to us to boost our rain chances into the end of this week. But until then, very low rain chances, if any, high temperatures in the low 90s, and a very similar forecast to this for the rest of this coming week. So we will see those temperatures in the afternoons going up a little bit, and then by the end of the week at that same time, that's when we could be seeing those slightly higher rain chances.
Thanks so much, Kristen.